Hi, everyone. Welcome to Volare Finance. The following will briefly introduce you to participating in the Volare Options Prediction Game. First, we click on the official website volare.finance. Click Start Trading. Choose Games. Then click Connect Wallet to connect the wallet address. Games are currently built on Ethereum's Sepolia network, which may require to switch network. We entered the product page. Prediction Game is an option product based on the prediction of underlying asset price changes, with a round every 10 minutes. Bullish is long, bearish is short. Compare the strike price with the target price, and if it rises, it will be a long win, and if it falls, it will be a short win. The currently supported game asset is WETH on Sepolia, and you can get the faucet through our Volare TG bot. The operation method is to talk to @Volare Finance bot in Telegram. Click to start, then click Faucet, enter Faucet plus address in the text box, and you can receive WETH. You can receive 10 WETH each hour. Meanwhile, you also need to have Sepolia ETH as gas fee on the Sepolia network to trade. There are many ways to receive faucets. Here we can see several sections. The left side is the purchase comparison of long and short in each round. The transaction below can see every transaction, they are all completed on the chain. On the right side, the information of the current game round is displayed in the blue box, and the current round is number 606. Including the strike price of this round, the real-time ETH price, the winning chance of long or short, and estimated payout based on the real-time price, the total transaction volume of this round, and the deadline for settlement of this round. The part below is the trading area for the next round. The round is number 607. You can choose to buy long or short options and enter the corresponding purchase amount. Whether it is call or short, a 3% handling fee will be charged. It should be noted that the strike price of the round number 606 you participated in is not the price when you bought long or short, but the price after the end of the round number 606. The final underlying price of the round is 10 minutes later. In the end, whether long or short wins depends on the comparison between strike price and underlying price. The current price is provided by Chainlink's Oracle service. In this chart, we can see the trend chart of WETH/USD in different periods. Okay, now we enter the quantity here, select long, click position, and complete the option purchase after confirmation through the wallet. Okay, from here we can see that position has been purchased. The transaction information is also seen in the transaction column on the left. You could also check it on the chain. In the analytics column, we can see the transaction volume information of the game in recent days. Below this, we can see the current round information, total claim information, total treasure, and win rate. Next, let's go back to the game page. When a round is finally over, the underlying price and strike price are compared to determine whether long or short wins in the round, and then we can settle. If you lose, it will no longer be displayed. If you win, your profit will be displayed here. We can settle multiple rounds together, and your principal and rewards will be transferred to your wallet. This message shows that the prizes has been received. Regarding the calculation method of bonus. If you lose all your principal. If you win, payout equals total bet amount of the winning side * users bet amount * 1 to 3%, the platform charges a 3% fee. It is worth mentioning that our perpetual options are in the final stages of development and will be launched soon. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching.